So today's target is to make how we can make thumbnails. Okay. For that, you will go to ChatGPT. Here I make this thumbnail. Okay. So you go to the ChatGPT and ask them. I have the video title like I am working on citrus. I record a video on citrus fruit problems and their solution. Okay, please make thumbnail. Okay, so it will create like that. But I just want to okay, like here I will. Uh, they will directly make the thumbnail. Okay, so I gave the prompt. Please make a thumbnail of YouTube video titled this one. No. This citrus. Now your name is no. You have picture. Okay. On peach peach problem and solutions. Uh, like here, here. Oh, can I add this picture? Can I add this? Okay. Uh, okay. Please add this picture. Okay. And okay. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Okay. You can just give them the command and it will create for you. Even there are some other like here. I just no. Here. There is another platform like you have an idea about that Copilot. We can even set to this as well as please make you video thumbnail on apple farming in Afghanistan. You have picture with me? Uh, uh, your name is Hezbollah. Yes, I have this picture here. Okay, and okay, add this picture. Afghanistan. Add this my picture. They will ask me what is this okay. Sometimes they ask some if you want some amendment or okay. So he will create that. Is that guy is coming? And is it ready? Wow, it's beautiful. Huh? Huh? Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Should I send to big scientist? big scientist. So what a big scientist. Let's try. Oh my God, apple farming. This is also very good, na? Huh? Oh, this is so beautiful. You can do that things here in using these gadgets. You should know. You also know about these things, na? Where is WhatsApp? Is Subullah? Kamal, eh? It's Kamal. Looks beautiful here. So in this way, you can even you write them to make some other thing like I'm in a wedding, like just um, I am I am in Peshawar um, and celebrating Eid with my family. Okay, and add this of my picture. Add this picture. This my picture uh, in this. Okay, okay. Let's see what they can do. You will create beautiful image. Maybe you are celebrating your Eid and Peshawar. Let's see what happens. What's going on here? Wow! I will send this picture to your relative, your mother. He has married to, and he has this children. It's a child. Okay, so you understand how to make thumbnails. I will send you this video as well.